The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County, southwestern Licking County, until 11:30 p.m. At 11:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Gahanna, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbus, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Gahanna, Pickerington, Bexley, Pawhuska, Minerva Park, Easton, Summit Station, Beechwood Trail, Whitehall, Etna, New Albany, Jersey, Kirkersville, Alexandria, Bryce, Cooper Ridge and State Route 310 at State Route 161. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 102 and 123. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media, where you can do so safely.